Core competency number 7, manage change. A fully engaged leader leads change and innovation, challenges the status quo, embraces technology, puts forward creative ideas, champions and implements process improvements, gathers ideas of others, demonstrates good judgment about which ideas will work. As a leader, it is important to fully understand the upcoming change that needs to occur along with the barriers to success. When done properly, a good leader lays out a step-by-step process to identify a challenge, make changes, and execute successfully. It's not as easy as it sounds. Change management makes you use every tool in your leadership toolbox to be successful.